In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password on Vestiaire Collective. Are you having troubles accessing your account or simply want to update your security? Not to worry, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the process together step by step to ensure your account is secure and accessible once again. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head to the search bar. Type in Vestiaire Collective and hit enter. Once the search results page appears, you'll want to select the very first result. This will take you directly to the official Vestiaire Collective website. Once the home page is fully loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the sign in option. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in carefully to avoid any mistakes. Once you have done that, look for the Continue button and give it a click. This is where you'll see an option that says Forgot Password. Click on that, and it will lead you to the next step in the process. You will need to enter your email address again. This step is important to ensure that the reset instructions are sent to the correct email associated with your account. After entering your email, search for the Send Link button and click it. This action will prompt Vestiaire Collective to send a password reset link to your inbox. Now time to check your email. Head over to your email provider and look for a message from Vestiaire Collective. If you do not see the email right away, make sure to check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes automated messages can end up there by mistake. Once you find the email, open it and follow the link provided to reset your password. You will be directed to a new page where you can type in your new password. Choose a strong and unique password that will keep your account secure. After you have typed it in, you'll be asked to type the new password again to confirm it. This ensures that there are no typos in your new password. Finally, click on the Change Password button to complete the process. And there you have it. You have successfully reset your password on Vestiaire Collective. If you followed these steps, you should be able to sign in with your new password without any issues. Remember to store your new password somewhere safe, and consider updating it regularly to protect your account. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy shopping!